Kale and eye health. Kale, a leafy green vegetable packed with nutrients, has gained significant popularity in recent years due to its numerous health benefits. While it is well known for its potential to promote overall well-being, one specific area where kale is believed to excel is eye health. So let's explore the relationship between kale and eye health and how incorporating this vegetable into one's diet can potentially contribute to maintaining healthy vision. To begin, kale is rich in antioxidants such as lutein and zeaxanthin, which have been linked to supporting eye health. These antioxidants play a crucial role in neutralizing harmful free radicals in the body, reducing oxidative stress and inflammation, thus protecting the eyes from cellular damage. By including kale in one's diet, individuals can benefit from the high concentrations of these antioxidants, potentially lowering their risk of age-related macular degeneration, a leading cause of vision loss among older adults. Moreover, kale is a powerhouse of essential vitamins and minerals that play significant roles in maintaining healthy eyes. For instance, this vegetable is a good source of vitamin C, which is necessary for the healthy formation of blood vessels in the eye. Additionally, kale contains vitamin A, an essential nutrient for maintaining proper night vision. By regularly consuming kale, individuals can ensure they are obtaining these vital nutrients, contributing to the overall health and function of their eyes. Furthermore, the high fiber content in kale can indirectly benefit eye health. A healthy diet, including ample fiber intake, has been associated with a reduced risk of developing certain eye conditions, such as glaucoma and cataracts. By consuming kale, individuals increase their fiber intake, which promotes better digestion and overall health, indirectly supporting their eye health. In addition to these direct and indirect benefits, kale is a low-calorie and nutrient-dense food, making it an excellent choice for those aiming to maintain a healthy weight. Obesity and being overweight are risk factors for several eye conditions, including diabetic retinopathy and macular degeneration. By incorporating kale into their diet, individuals can reduce their calorie intake while simultaneously providing their bodies with valuable nutrients, promoting overall eye health. Furthermore, kale's versatility in cooking makes it an easily accessible vegetable for those looking to enhance their eye health. It can be enjoyed in salads, smoothies, soups, and stir-fries, making it a convenient addition to a wide range of meals. The abundance of kale recipes available allows individuals to experiment and find preparation methods that suit their personal taste preferences, ensuring the incorporation of kale becomes a regular part of their diet. However, it is important to note that while kale is a beneficial vegetable, it should be consumed as part of a varied and balanced diet. Relying solely on kale for eye health may limit the intake of other essential nutrients found in different foods. Therefore, individuals should strive to include a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins alongside kale to obtain a wide range of nutrients necessary for healthy eyes. In conclusion, kale offers numerous potential benefits for eye health, thanks to its rich content of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. From supporting the health of blood vessels in the eye to reducing the risk of age-related vision loss, kale can play a vital role in maintaining healthy vision. By incorporating this nutritious vegetable into one's diet, individuals can promote their overall eye health while enjoying its versatility and ease of preparation. Remember, achieving and sustaining healthy eyes requires a holistic approach that combines a variety of nutrient-rich foods, regular eye examinations, and healthy lifestyle choices. Someone once said, "If you change your eating habits, you change your life." I hope you found the information helpful, and if so, please hit the like button. For more topics on kale, kale recipes, kale healthy eating, and kale diets, don't forget to subscribe.